I'll just log out. You have to enter the username as btechfy.
ऑड 2021 मध्ये मग लॉग इन सर है ना.
ते होतं ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड. ऑड 2021. Okay. Odd 2021. Their username is btechfy and password is continue. So username is btechfy, password is continue. Then you have to log in. After login, you will be by default in the add course tab. Okay. There I'll just explain about electrical. Likewise, you have to do it on your subject. In this, you have to click on this blue box, that is view all courses. Okay, blue box, that is view all courses. In that, already bucketing is been done by Ambore madam and Prashant sir. Okay, now I just want to search for my subject, which is EE1101. Okay, I can't find it there. So here, yes, it is EE1101. Already bucketing is been done. You have to click on set QP pattern. There you have two options. One is of setting ISE and second setting MSE. Okay. So you have to click on set QP pattern. Make sure you are entered into your correct subject code, that is EE1101. Okay. Now I am creating the question paper under ISE. So it will ask me the question whether this ISE is QP based, parametric based or rubrics based. So every one of us is having same, that is QP based. So I am just clicking on QP based and selecting as next. Here there are multiple options available of setting the QP pattern. So I will recommend you people to select this one, first one, ISE, which is of total 15 marks. First template. So I am just creating that, selecting that template, that is ISE. Okay. Now here you have to set the question paper. So I am going in set QP. It will ask me whether it has sub question or total paper is of one question itself. So we have sub questions because we know unit wise we have different COs. So we have to create the question paper as this question paper has sub questions. Now how many sub questions? There are 7 questions excluding maths. In all subjects there are 7 questions. How come? First question is common, that is of attendance of 5 marks, which is mapped to all COs. Okay. So here what I will do, here CO question number 1, which is having maximum mark as 5. Bloom's level by default everyone has to select as L1. If you want or have justification, you can select any other Bloom's level as well. So CO1, first CO maps to all, first question map to all COs. That is CO1, yes, CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5 and CO6. Okay, so these all COs are mapped to the first question. Second question, question number 2, which is mapped to yes, question number 2, marks are, now it is depending upon your distribution. Our unit number 1 has 2 marks weightage, Bloom's level 1, CO1. Okay, then I am going into question number 3, that is our on unit number 2, which is also of 2 marks, Bloom's level 1, CO2. Our question number 4 is for 1 mark only, because our unit number 3 has 1 mark weightage. So Bloom's level 1, CO3. Then CO question number.
So you are telling about ISC, right?
Right.
ISC and that BWD.
This is question number 4. Right. This is just a correction.
ISC same one he is telling, madam.
Yes. Then question 5, which is of unit number 4, which again has a weightage of 1 marks, Bloom's level 1, CO4. Then question number 6 of 2 marks, Bloom's level 1, CO5. 5. No, question number 6, CO5. Question number 7, marks 2, Bloom's level 1 and CO6. In this way, all the 7 questions, yes,
15
along with
marks
the
wala
CO
pahiye na
mapping, yes, the total expected is 15. If you put a wrong total, it immediately give you the message the total is not matching. So now my question paper I am submitting, it means I am just completing the process of submission. Here you can see your marks distribution. Sub question 1 has 5 marks with the Bloom's level 1, which has all CO map. CO 1 to 5, 6 is not visible but it is already there. Sub question 2 of 2 marks, sub question 3 of 2 marks, sub question 4 is of 1 mark. Likewise, total 15 marks are set. That total is here. Now you can see its weightage downwards, that is 46.67 and so on. Now this is just a paper that you have created. You have to approve that paper. Okay. Once you will approve that paper, that will be visible to individual teachers login. You can see note, once question paper is approved, it can't be edited. Are you sure you want to approve the question paper? Yes, I am sure about it. I am going to approve it. Yes, that approve button is now disabled. You can say it here as disapproved. So if you want to make any change, or if you will find while filling the marks, no, some mistake has been happened from your end while creating the question paper, so you have to disapprove it.
Okay.
Again make that, after disapproving, discard the question paper. So that will discard from individual login, and then again mention everything as a correct one and approve it again. So that is the lengthy process. Now once it is been done, now in my teacher login, this has been done from the coordinator's login. You have to do it once only. That will be reflected in all divisions by default. Okay, so this is about the ISC. Similarly, you have to do it for MSc. MSc is of 3 buckets only, 8, 9, 8.
term work also, na?
No, term work they have taken out the authority. They are doing
External.
external. No, ते सब्जेक्ट वाईज असं त्याचं
MSc चं दाखवतं का सर?
एक मिनिट, आता मी हे दाखवतो की वन्स the approval process is done, that tab color changes, that I'll show you, and then we'll see for MSc as well. So here electrical engineering, again going into the view courses. Okay,
Do not talk.
here 1101, again I'm going into the set QP pattern. You can see there is a color change. ISC, since you have set, the color has changed to green since the paper is approved and reflected in all division. Now I'm going in MSc. MSc QP base. Here there are multiple templates again, but we can select it of 25 marks, the total one. You can select any template, let's say of PBL, no issue. You can select it of PBL. Here you have to set up the question paper. Click on setup. Again it will ask whether it has sub question. Yes, it does. It do have separate questions. So how many questions are there? Only 3 questions, because here there is no question of attendance. Question 1 is of 8 marks, which maps to Bloom's level 1. CO is 1. Then question 2, which is of 9 marks in our case. In your case it might be different. It is CO2. And last is question 3 of 8 marks, Bloom's level 1, CO3. Now here it is submit button. So it will give me the total, whether it is of 25 or not. Yes, it's 25, 8, 9, 8 distribution as per CO1, CO2, CO3. Okay, and here what you have to do is again approve it. Once approved, it will be reflected in all the divisions. Okay, so I'm just approving it. Then it will give me the tab of disapprove.
So we have to do for ESC.
Is this for first sem or?
No. Your subject ESC. Yes. Pencil exam.
This is for first sem or?
First sem.
But for first sem, many subjects were having MCQs for MCQs as mid-sem. MCQs as well as subjective type questions.
No. Mid-sem exam. We have the distribution of mark sheet. Na, with us. Yes. Distribution of mark sheet we have na 8, 9, 8.
8, 9, 8.
Yes.
Whether it is objective or subjective, it doesn't matter.
Right.